Sobat Rupiah, tekanan terhadap rupiah dari gejolak global yang terus berlanjut, tingginya permintaan falas domestik, dan keluarnya aliran portofolio asing mendorong Bank Indonesia mengambil langkah lanjutan. Pada 9 Juni 2026, BI menaikkan BI Rate 25 basis poin menjadi 5,50% untuk menjaga stabilitas nilai tukar, mengendalikan inflasi di kisaran 2,5 plus minus 1%, dan meningkatkan daya tarik masuknya investasi. Pasca pengumuman kenaikan BI Rate, Gubernur Bank Indonesia melakukan investor call meeting dengan lebih dari 350 investor portofolio besar dari Amerika, Eropa, dan Asia. Pertemuan tersebut dilakukan dalam rangka mengkomunikasikan langkah-langkah lanjutan BI dalam rangka stabilisasi nilai tukar serta meyakinkan offshore investor mengenai fundamental dan prospek ekonomi Indonesia. Lalu, apa saja respons Bank Indonesia atas pertanyaan para investor?
This assessment need to be explained correctly and properly. We address now, there is also issue, how the policy, to answer the exchange rate as you say, we address now to address the exchange rate. Continue intervention, we enough more than enough foreign exchange reserve, more than enough foreign exchange rate. We know that. We adjust our interest rate, BI rate, SRBI. We ensure that actually domestic liquidity is there. And then we also deepening our money market and so on and so on. Bank Indonesia, we continue adopting our sound practice and our authority to ensure the rupiah strengthening and stability. We address that. For answer, we address more than enough. We are using the IMF adequacy reserve asset metric. We all of our policy based on the best theoretical, best international practice and prudent. We are seeing also Minister of Finance already also adjusting fiscal deficit below 10%, even lower than forecasted. That still providing stimulus for economic growth and for also social welfare. We are adjusting, we make decision now and to answer, to address a very close coordination of fiscal and monetary intact. In short question, we are addressing those issues, and this issue need to also be explained properly so that making continue negative perception. We are doing all the necessary policy to ensure that your foreign investor inflow in Indonesia will be in a good hand, providing yield differential attractiveness, also hedging which is low cost.